Okay, guys, so after just like understanding the Calvin cycle because of ChatGPT, I am now going to be explaining it to you. Okay, so as you can see here, it says the cycle starts with 3 RUBP molecules. Each RUBP has 5 carbons. So 3 times 5 equals 15. So why? So as you can see in here, it starts with this. So 3 RUBP, it has 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're going to multiply the 5 to 3. Why? Okay, so what I'm showing to you guys right now are carbon. So as you can see in these carbons, we have them in 3. So this is 1 set, 2 set, and then 3 sets. So in much more detail, this is 5, 10, 15. So that is why it says this is 15. So it is written here, think of them as 3 baskets with 5 apples each. So yeah, that's an easier. So next, second step, add CO2 plus, it will be now become 18 carbons. So the plant adds 3 CO2 molecules, each has 1. So now the factory has 15 plus 3 equals 18. So why did that happen? So in this 3 CO2, we can see in here it would become suddenly a 6th one. 3 sixth carbons in here, or like, yeah. I'm just a student, please. So this is 3 RBP. We add to like 3 CO2, so this is what will happen. Okay, so this is what happened. So we originally had these 5 set of these, and then we added 3 carbons. So it is evenly distributed, so 6, 12, 18. Okay, now here comes a bit tricky part, but would be easy understanding once it snapped into you. So now that like adding 3 extra apples into your baskets. Okay, that was step 2, and we already done that. Now this is in step 3, split into trees. The big piles of 18 carbons get split into 6 molecules called 3-PGA. So don't be confused, these 3-PGA is just like a PGA. Just don't mind the number, it's just the name. This tree has nothing really much to do, it's just the name. Each with 3 carbons. 6 times 3 equals 18. No apples lost, just rearrange. Okay, we're gonna go back to our image. So this is what will happen. So since this the CO2 added is unstable, it is gonna crack, split it in half, and then this is what will happen. It would be split into by trees. Okay, so I will show you. Okay, now going back, as you can see, this is now arranged by trees. This was just halved. Okay, this was just half, like this. So from 6, this is 6, it would be divided all by trees. So this is what happened. So in the image that we showed over here, we are gonna be seeing this, right? So 6 3-PGA, or just I swear, don't mind the tree. So this is 6 PGAs. 6 of these trees, which is the one I showed you in here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of these trees. So this is why we did nothing. We just 6 times 3 is still 18. We just rearranged it. Remember the word rearranged. Okay, now in step 4, it says take 1 away for sugar. One of those 3 carbon molecules goes out to help make sugar. Now 5 molecules times 3 carbons equals 15 carbons left. So why is that? So we're going to be seeing here in our image. Okay, in this image, since they were like 6. Okay, so in this is now the reduction. It would add this speed. Okay, we're gonna skipping that because what we're focusing here is the numbers. Okay, so okay, now so they got removed of 3 of these. Okay, and then in here we have 5 of these. So I'm gonna be showing you. Okay, now here's the example. So we already have this, right? We are already fixed on why this is the image. So like next what we're gonna do is, since these 3 went to make glucose, they're gonna be moving out. Okay, so this is why how many are left? This is gonna be 15 because 18 minus 3 is 15. Now we are in our last step. So we have the 15 carbons left get rearranged back into 3 molecules of RUBP, each with 5 carbons, so this cycle can start over. That's why you see 15 and 5 pop up again. Here, I'm going to show you. Okay, so what will happen is nothing much will change. We just rearrange them. So this G3P, something else will happen in here, which is, I will leave it to you guys, but by the numbers, you would see here 5 times 3 is 15, and you would see in here, we will just rearrange it, like reverse it, that these will be the 5 carbons, and then it would become the 3 RUBP. So you would see in here that the carbons are the one that have become 5, and then these are 3 RUBP, and then the cycles go on. Thank you.